Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, January the 11th, 2022. We have here in this newspaper only one regular Sudoku and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, 5 puzzles. And the daily news, look here, we have a new government. Yeah, formation is after almost 300 days. Now we have a government. The formation took a little bit longer, 300 days almost. That's the news of today. But first, we will solve this baby. Sudoku Medium number 3960. 3960. Okay. 3960. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26. No, 28. Correction. 28 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright. So it should be easier than a 1-star Sudoku if you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional. I need to be faster. That's my time limit. Faster than 15 minutes. We will see. Alright. So let's get started. We have 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row. So on the row above, the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in the first row should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 6 and the 4, 6 and the 4. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. 8 in this column. 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. And we have a pair. 8 and a 9 in the third row, 8 and a 9 in the first row. So no row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. Then let me see. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 2. We have a 9 and a 2 in the first column, so no 9 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 2, 9 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the nines are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. All right. Then. So 4. That means 5. Let me think. 5 and 6. Okay. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in the second row, so no 2 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. We have a 2 in the middle row, column, so no 2 there. The 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means these 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5 and 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this row. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Okay. Then. Let me see. Okay. How about? I cannot continue. Well. I'm thinking. 3. Interesting. 1, 2, 7, 2, 1. Yeah. Thinking. Come on. It's taking too long. 7, 1, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle columns of the column next. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. All right. Then. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8. Oh, I cannot continue with 8. Alright. How about the 6? No, 6 I cannot continue. 1. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? For numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. Okay, 1, 2, and the 3. Okay. 7, 4, 1. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Yeah. 1. Come on. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle columns, and the column next. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Yeah. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number, so 1 is missing, 2, 3 and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. Again, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. Told you, a 1-star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Yes, the additional. I will do 5 puzzles. 5 out of 9. Yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.